How to block all unknown number in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp and log into your account. Then go to chats located on bottom left corner of your screen. Then click on the contact which is unknown. After you click on it, chat will open. Then you'll find three dots on top right corner of your screen. Simply click on three dots and you'll find block option below report and above mute notification. Simply click on block and the unknown number will be blocked from your WhatsApp account. And the unknown number will not be able to text or call you. This is how to block all unknown number in WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.